Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to switch to private TikTok account. Once you create TikTok account, your profile is automatically set as public. But if you want to stop strangers from seeing your videos, then you're allowed to make your account private at any time. Follow these steps and you will find out how you can do it. Go to your TikTok profile page and hit the three lines icon in the top right corner. After that, click on the Privacy section in order to open it. Toggle the slider to the right side next to the Private Account option. Keep in mind that if you're using TikTok business account, first you need to switch to the personal account and only then make it private. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to switch to private TikTok account. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.